Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that you have x to the power of 2 equals 4 to the power of x. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So from here we have x to the power of 2 equals 4 to the power of x. Now let us introduce natural log to the side of this and this side. We have ln of x to the power of 2 equals ln of ln 4 to the power of x. Now mind you, when you have ln of a to the power of m, this equivalent to when you have ln of a. So that is, this power will come here. That's why we have it here, ln of a. So by applying it here and here, this implies that we are going to have 2 ln of x equals x ln of 4. Now, the next thing is we have x here, we have 2 here. Let's divide through by 2 first. So this will cancel this. Then we are going to have ln of x equals x ln of 4 divided by 2. Now let's also divide through by x. So this will cancel this. Then we are going to have ln of x divided by x equals ln of 4 divided by 2. So from here, guys, we have to recall from exponents and in natural log that when you have e to the power of ln of x, this always gives us back our x. Why? Because exponents and natural log, they are vice versa, so they normally cancel each other. So when this one cancels this, we get back our x. So now let us now replace it here. So this implies we are going to have ln of x, then divided by this e to the power of ln of x equals ln of 4 divided by 2. So from here, guys, we can have this as, this, when you have a divided by b to the power of m, this equivalent to when you have a dot b to the power of minus m. And by applying it here, we're going to have here to be ln of x, that happens to be our a, then multiply by e to the power of minus ln of x, that happens to be our b to the power of minus m. Then this will equals ln 4 divided by 2. Now, one thing is, when we take a look at the power here, we have minus, but when you take at the base of this e, we have it to be plus. So to make the power and the base to be the same, then we have to multiply this one by minus. By multiply through by minus, so we're going to have this one multiplied by minus. We have minus l of x dot e to the power of minus ln x equals minus ln 4 divided by 2. And so from here, guys, we want to apply W Lambert function that says when you have W of a, then multiply by e to the power of a, this math says we're going to have back our a as the output. And the logic behind this is that we have to make sure that the base here and the power here must be the same thing before we can have the output to be the either of the one. And this implies also that when you have W of x, then multiply by e to the power of x, this will give us back your x. So now by applying it by introducing W Lambert function here and here, so we're going to have w Lambert function of minus ln x, then e to the power of minus ln x, so equals w Lambert function of minus ln 4 divided by 2. And obviously, from here, we are going to have minus ln x equals w of minus ln 4 divided by 2. So from here, we can apply law of logarithm when you have minus ln a. This is equivalent to when you have ln a to the power of minus 1. So by applying this one here, so we are going to have this as ln x to the power of minus 1 equals w of minus ln 4 divided by 2. So now from here, we can, to eliminate natural log ln, we can take the power of both sides to be e to the power of ln x to the power of minus 1 equals e to the power of this w of minus ln 4 divided by 2. Then this will easily cancel this. We have x to the power of minus 1 equals e to the power of w of minus ln 4 divided by 2. So from here, we can have this as 1 divided by s equals e to the power of w minus ln 4 divided by 2. So the moment when you cross multiply, we have x, then multiply by e to the power of w minus ln 4 divided by 2 equals 1. When you divide through by this implies that our s equals 1 divided by e to the power of w of minus ln 4 divided by 2. Now from here, now we have case 1. When s greater than 0, it happens to be like we have this to be no real solution. That is, when we are looking for the value of x to be positive, no real solution for that. But for case 2, when s happens to be less than 0, so we have our x approximately equal to minus 0.641 when you find this. And by even considering the question given to us and use graph to explain that, we have x squared to be equals 4 to the power of x. Now, let's consider this graph. Now, from here, we can see that when for x squared, we have the graph of x squared to be like this. Then, this is for x squared. So, in the case of 4 to the power of x, is an exponential graph, and we're going to have it to be like this. Something like this. So probably the point of intersection of this happen to be here, and is that one that gives us this minus 0.641, and this one is for 4 to the power of x. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial video. So finally, you can have our x to be equals minus 0.641. And here are the steps.